There has never been a greater time than now to invest in the Metro Detroit area, and there is no other investment firm better qualified than Platinum Real Estate Holdings. With 40 years experience and over 1,000 homes sold, let Platinum Real Estate Holdings assist you with the purchase of a city-certified home of the highest quality. Turnkey properties, screen renters, yielding instant cash flow. Well, what are you waiting for? Call or visit us online today. Welcome to the weekly recap for the week of September 5th. In today's recap, we will share a perspective on how much time and money you need to start investing in real estate. And lastly, we will discuss how fear could be costing you lots of money and how to overcome it. This week's recap begins now. This first segment will discuss how much time a new real estate investor should devote to their education and how much money is needed to begin real estate investing. The information comes from real estate investor Gino Barbaro in an online article from the site called Bigger Pockets. First of all, the time you need will be determined by many factors. The first thing you should ask yourself is, do you want to create some passive income, or do you want to become a full-time investor? Secondly, all new real estate investors should dedicate a lot of time educating themselves on real estate investing. Every new beginner should dedicate at least 1 hour per day to learning the business. The good news, experts say, is it doesn't matter what type of content you consume. Books, download podcasts, YouTube videos if you're a visual learner. The key is to surround yourself with continuous, positive information about real estate to keep you motivated and engaged. Thirdly, get excited. If you're not excited about this new venture, you might want to consider getting out of real estate investing. Real estate is a difficult business to learn, and attacking the business with a low level of energy, you can expect to get a low level of return. Fourth, don't do it on your own. Hire a real estate coach. Your knowledge will explode, and more importantly, your learning curve will be dramatically shortened. You will get a custom-tailored plan for you and your coach to hold yourself accountable. The last question is, how much money will you need to get started? This is a highly subjective and controversial topic because there are so many variables. How many units do you plan on acquiring? Are you going to raise private money? Do you intend to partner with someone? What part of the country are you going to invest in? And so forth. It is difficult to assess how much a newbie has to save for their first investment. The most important advice is to get your financial house in order. Try to eliminate as much personal debt as possible and maintain a few months' salary in a savings account for any type of emergency. The key is to get started. Now let's review and summarize. Set aside at least 1 hour per day to educate yourself. Put your financial house in order. Seek out professionals for advice and guidance. Finally, have some fun. You are embarking on a new adventure, and things may get a bit uncomfortable when you're new at anything. Next up are some very practical questions. How much is fear really costing you? How much are you losing every day due to fear? And what can you do about it? Almost none of us is immune to fear. However, by listening to those fears today, we are actually most often setting ourselves up to get exactly what we don't want tomorrow. This is especially true when it comes to finances and investing, leading to failure and financial hardship. So how do you overcome that fear and start getting more of what you really want? Well, let's start with a great quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson. It goes, "Do the thing and you will have the power." Meaning one of the ways to conquer fear is to just take action. You see, some of the best ideas lie in graveyards. Due to people's fears preventing action, they take their dreams, goals, and ambitions with them to their grave. Then you have multi-billion-dollar real estate investors like Sam Zell, who made the bulk of his fortune during a time when everyone else was too scared to invest. Okay, there are 3 practical steps to win over fear. Number 1, write down all of your goals. Number 2, write down the fears that are keeping you from taking action on your goals. And number 3, Assume responsibility for taking action and achieving your goals with a, quote, whatever it takes mentality. Look at your list. Those fears have been costing you everything you want. The question is, how much do you have in your bank? In equity, in passive income? How much has fear cost you already? $100,000? $700,000? $2 million? Or maybe even $20 million? If you don't act now, you'll lose even more, or you can gain all that and more. It's up to you. Are you afraid of buying your first investment property? What are you doing to conquer your fear? We'd like to hear from you. Well, that's this week's recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Have questions? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for listening and have a great day. This has been your weekly real estate investment news recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Please like or comment below this video to enter to win a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Real Estate Guide for Residential Real Estate Investments. You can also subscribe to our channel or go to our website to receive the latest in real estate news. Our website also affords you the opportunity to view our latest turnkey properties.